haba ng pila, guys.
Hindi tayo matatagalan.
Okay, going to the starting point of Shishan. Ayan, yung aakyatin namin. Going to Shishan, and then Zhongshan, and then Fushan. And then, yun na. Okay, going up the stairs now. Okay, hagdan guys. Hagdan naman. Guys, sige nyo. Sunog siya pero maganda pa rin yung view. So, we're ascending Shisan. Almost at the track. Before we continue. With our photo taking. Hey, we're going down now again. Ayaw nilang bumaba dun sa nakatayong bato.
Welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my guys vlog. Ayan, nasa taas oh.
Hit na nga dito eh.
Oh, Pats, check-in na! Let's go to Zhongshan. Already done with our first pick. So, chill hike lang kami ngayon. We're wearing our new t-shirt by Team Arya. Team malamig na yun. So, okay lang. Okay. So, many overgrown grass. But the trail is well marked, so okay lang. Naunang incheck. On top of Zhongshan or Elephant Hill of Tayo. Galing. kami sa Fushan for the third check-in kasi naka-check-in na ako doon. Okay. Sungshan Peak. Bads, dyan ka sa bato. Picture dito sa mataas. Demanding yung subject mo. Yung tulay lang, Bads. Okay, Hong Kong Airport. Going to Fushan now. Wala niyan, natutulog. With the Chinese flower and the ribbon and the Mountain Dew. Okay, going to Fushan now from Songshan. Descending with the overgrown bushes and the dew on our legs. Yeah, okay. I need to talk so I don't need to use music because music is sometimes copyright. Yeah, right. Right, guys? Ay na nga. Buti na lang. Hindi na kami aakyat. Shuhai Bridge. Yan. Diba? Pababa na kasi kami kaya masaya na kami. Bye-bye. Okay, approaching Tayo now. Let's Shuhai Bridge. Going down to Fushan. So there, we're almost near Fushan. Almost. A bit more descending. Oh my god. So beautiful. Okay. Bats, dito ka! Okay, look at that. Nakababa na kami. Going to Fushan. Mama, magpapatay daw sila ng apoy. With our t-shirt. Hotpot. Okay, going to Fushan now, guys. Going to Yunlong. Ay, Tongchong muna. Okay, going to Scenic Hill. Going to Scenic Hill. Okay.